What is up, everybody? We're out here on this kind of little overcast. It's actually a cool day for this time of the year. So what we're going to do today, if you remember last summer, I reviewed the Ruler Hydro Parts foam cannon. Video should pop up there. So Ruler reached out to me again and said, hey, we would like you to demo some of our products for us, make some videos. And so I got this. What this is a pressure washer. I call it a circle scrubber. It actually is a surface cleaner. Okay, it's really simple. The way it works is it has this little bar that spins, and as it spins, it cleans. So I'm going to show you what all's in the box. We're going to hook it up, and then we're at Mom and Steve's today. We're going to scrub this little section of the driveway right here. As you can see, it's pretty clean here. And then we're going to try and get this area clean. And we'll tell the difference. I'm probably going to try and do from like there to this crack, and we'll tell the difference between the two. So let's get it together, and we'll go from there. Okay, so here's everything that's in the box. Please note, everything was in plastic. I went ahead and took it out of the plastic. That way it was just easier to lay out here for you. All the hardware is in this little box, which when you get it is inside of here. So everything is nicely neat packaged in that box. First thing you have is your 15.8, basically 16-inch surface cleaner. It tells you it's max 3600 PSI. It's a real simple piece. It's just got a connector, and it does swivel this way back and forth. So you can go this way, pull it back to you, whatever. Okay, it's got 3 wheels that attach. I'll show you how to attach them. Get a bag of screws, small little screwdriver, which is handy, and you get extra O-rings. Now the O-rings will go, this is the wand. This will go together. I'm going to set the tripod up and show you. It literally just threads together. You'll notice here the O-ring, and like I said, it does come with spare O-rings, so keep track of those, put them in your toolbox. Literally just threads together. It's brass on brass. I haven't tested it out yet, so I don't know if it needs a little bit of thread sealant or not. I'd say with the O-ring it probably won't. Notice it matches up together. If it needs to be tightened down, you can get a wrench, 2 wrenches, tighten it down. And then that just snaps. Pull it up. Boom. Done. Now you can see as it snaps. This is how you control it. Now, once I get the wheels on it, it'll be better. So let's get the wheels on it. As you can see, there are 3 places here. It's got some teeth and 2 holes. That's what you're going to do. Get your bag of parts. I'm going to dump them out in the box. Take 2 screws, screwdriver. See the wheel here? It obviously has 2 holes and a little tongue. The tongue will go down in there. Slide this together, loop like such. You can see your holes line up. It's just a simple screw in a hole. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start both of them before I snug them down. Get that one pretty close. Go over to the other side. Okay, getting tight. This is plastic, so you don't want to go crazy because you could break it, strip it, whatever. Okay, that one stopped. That one stopped. Getting one little snug there. Boop. And boop. Done. Now we'll do the other 2. Okay, so we have 3 wheels on. 2, 3. Flip it over. It rolls. So you'll notice in your, something I did notice here in my hardware, you have this little ring thing, and what that is in case your nozzles get clogged or get dirt in them, you take this and you can clean them out with it. It just slides in there and you can clean out the little nozzles. It's pretty handy. I'm going to put it back in the bag with the O-rings. And like I said, I'm going to label this. I'll write pressure washer O-rings on it, put it in the toolbox. Now you may be asking, why am I doing the driveway here at Mom and Steve's instead of my driveway? my driveway's blacktop. It wouldn't matter if I pressure washed or not, it's still gonna be black. So we're gonna do this, that way we can see if it's a noticeable difference or not. So now we'll go get the pressure washer, get the hose hooked up, get some gas going, and we'll see how this does. We got this assembled as you saw. The wand goes out here. This is the wand to the pressure washer. Just simple quick connect, snap fitting. Hose to the pressure washer. Steve's hooking the water hose up, and then we'll get to work. Steve's putting the hose on. Tell me when you're ready, Steve, and I'll turn the water on.
This tractor.
You got water? Yep, no leaks. All right, Steve, fire it up. Flip the switch on.
Shouldn't need to choke now.
Nope. compressor on the pressure washer, but that's with no soap. So if you put cleaner in there or some form of soap, I've heard a lot of people use Dawn dish soap in their pressure washer. It's whatever. I actually have some actual orange soap. It would do better, but the thing I've learned from watching Steve versus when I do it, patience. I was trying to go too fast, as you'll see in the video. Steve slowed down quite a bit, and it seems like it's doing a better job and more consistent, and it's not wanting to, when you go fast, every little dip it hits, it wants to like pop up and down. Steve's got that under control. So we did a good little patch there. Steve's spraying the dirt off before it gets dry, because it's good and humid today. So it actually did a really good job there. Get it right there, Steve. It looks like there's a lot right there, yeah. You can tell a difference even though it's wet from here to here, and then out here you can tell about how far I went from here to here. Even though it's wet, you can still tell a big difference. I'm really impressed with this. I like this a lot better than a regular pressure washer because I feel like this is quicker. This is easier to use. You can just basically roll with it. Every now and then, if you're pushing a little bit too hard to get it going a little fast, it'll want to like tip up a little bit, but you just got to pay attention. And the one big thing I really like about this versus just using just the wand and a tip is I don't feel like it's as dangerous. With a regular pressure washer, you got to wear, like you should, wear steel-toed boots, safety protection, all this. This is a lot safer. And one other thing is I'm not using any soap. We didn't mix any soap in with this in the dispenser. You can use soap. I have used soap before. It does help if you've got oil or whatever. But as you can tell, it did a banging job. Just that. I didn't talk a lot while I was using it because that's a gas pressure washer. Mine's electric, so it's a little bit louder. So there it is. That's the Ruler Hydro Parts surface cleaner. I really like it. If you are like me and I've got a sidewalk in front of my house I need to clean, or you're like Mom and Steve and you've got a concrete driveway, you could do this whole driveway in an hour or two probably, and it would make a huge difference. So highly recommend this. This is a tool to keep in your arsenal to keep your house, your driveway, whatever, clean.